Alright, hey guys, gonna do a quick toolbox tour. I have my Craftsman box here and my Mac side cabinet. We'll start on this cabinet here. See, it's labeled Allen wrenches, but it's definitely more than that. I have my Hansen straight foot extractor set, Irwin. I honestly have no idea what this is. Let me sit down the camera. Oh, they are screw extractors when you strip your screw. Nut drivers, Allen wrenches, Allens with handles, adapters for impact, drill bits, star and torque drivers, torque drivers here, and star. Nut drivers, picks, and tiny screwdrivers. Got a couple different ones. Everyone has some of these. Nut drivers, picks, probes and stuff like that, I guess. That's what you want to call it. Scraper. All my Phillips screwdrivers. My flatheads. Plier drawer. Electrical drawer. Wire strippers. Regular wire strippers. Voltage testers, whatever you want to call it. Shears, wire, all that stuff. On top of this, I have Milwaukee battery chargers, what do you want to call those, pins, punches. Honestly, I have no idea where this came from. Paint markers, tape measure, thread tape, thread sealant tape, whatever you want to call that. Electrical tape, thread sealant, another little tape measure, tiny screwdriver, blue point measuring tool, hooks for winches, nut driver. Here's my Craftsman box. Magnetic little, whatever this is, a quarter inch. Decals of Henry, NRA, Vortex, all that good stuff, Dynamax. Up here we have AC stuff, light testers, welding hats, quarter inch socket trays, missing a lot, scraper of the blade, some funky wrenches. Here I have punches and chisels, some wire brushes. This one is my air stuff, blowgun, tire valve screwdrivers, quarter inch drawer, got snap-on sockets, Napa, I think, extensions, ratchets. This is one of my wrench drawers. Got some snap-on ones, blue point, some funky ones down there, some gear wrench set, all that good stuff. Very loose wrench drawer, like lots of wrenches. 38 sockets, some loose ones, snap-on sets, some Torx, half inch. Do not have any half inch snap-ons, but still have all these. Snap-on double-sided wrench, Mac double-sided wrench, tiny wrench, snap-on 24-inch ratchet, something like that, breaker bar, half-inch extensions, a bunch of adapters. Move down to the middle section. We got 3/8 ratchets. Got extensions, swivels, grip handle, vent ratchet, flex heads, Cornwell, Craftsman, all the same stuff. 1/2 inch Blue Point, special, long Craftsman flex head, double-sided 3/8 1/2 inch, snap-on 1/2 inch extension. Should be my cutting wheels. I have my air impact, air hammer, Mac, earthquake, Mac air drill, snap-on cutting wheel, earthquake air ratchet, Mac cutting wheel, cutting blades, whatever you want to call them, wheels. Move down to the bottom, we got crescent wrenches, snap-on, rubber handles, curved, small, medium, all that good stuff. Channel locks and vice grips. Got some Mac ones, special ones, some pretty funky ones, all that good stuff. Pry bars and scrapers, snap-on pry bars, long screwdriver, doesn't fit in the screwdriver drawer, mirror, magnet, little pry bar, big pry bar, chisel, pipe wrenches, lots and lots of pipe wrenches, puller, yeah, lots of pipe wrenches. Hammers, got Deplo, rubber mallets, ball peens, whatever. Got 1 inch ratchet, 1 inch breaker bar, another 1 inch breaker bar right here, another 1 inch ratchet, 1 inch sockets, and some 1/2 inch ones. Oil filter socket. Not sure why it's there. 1 inch sock. Well, 1 inch. Oh no, this is a 3/4 inch. 3/4 inch extension. Much more extensions. That's those. Got loose wrenches here. Off-brand Impact. I have a Mac pry bar up here on the wall. Weed eater, floor jack, stands, Purgade, socket and ratchet set, wrench set. And here I have a Milwaukee 1/2 inch Impact and saw, Milwaukee Impact, the 1/4 inch hex driver, and a drill, tap and die set, Milwaukee cutting wheel. Easy outs, I'm pretty sure. Bolt out, whatever. Move over here. Blue Point, light tester, paint marker, magnet tray, safety glasses, oil funnels, headlight, random bolts and nuts, metal pieces, socket organizers, impact sockets back here, 1/2 inch, 3/8, and my 1/4 inch here back up there. Drill bits, homemade Allen screwdriver, flashlight, impact socket organizers. On this wall I got quick access wrenches, all like 3/8 to 11/16, crescent wrench, knife, tape, thread, tape, hammer, wire brushes, tape measures, big light, all that good stuff, air hose, one down there too.
Make the coffee, get the kids dressed, and get them out the door.
Oh yeah, this here.
With everything else there is to do in a day,
Milwaukee radio,
can take a lot of time. You have to ask your friends for
socket,
search online,
I repainted.
sort through results,
bunch of random stuff, I guess, on the tool workbench. Just took out the old water pump. This is the old one out of the Chevy. That's that. Over there I have all my chemicals and stuff. Chemicals, brake cleaner, stuff like that. Other than that, it's just pretty much a little quick toolbox tour. I'll do a more in-depth one eventually. So thanks for watching, guys, and be tuned for more tool videos.